Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss how to solve simultaneous linear equation by Cramer's rule. Suppose you have the equation as 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals to 4. The second equation is 3x plus y plus 5z equals to 0. And next the last equation is x plus 2y minus 2z equals to 7. So first we need to find out the value of the determinant which contains only the coefficient like 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 5 and the last one is 1, 2, minus 1. What I have taken here? I have taken only the coefficient part of x, y, z. Sorry, coefficient part only. So last one will be minus 2. I made mistake over here. So if I find the value of this, it will be 2 into minus 2 minus 10, which is minus 12. Already you know how to find out the value of the determinant. So minus 3 into minus 2, 6, minus 6, minus 5, minus 6, minus 5, and 4 into 3 into 2, 6, minus 1, 6 minus 1, that is 5. So value of this determinant will be minus 24, this is minus 11 plus 33 plus 20. So it will be 53, so 9 plus this will be 29. Now what I am going to do, I am going to find out value of 3 more determinants. First determinant I am going to write dx, where the value of x, what was the value of x in this determinant? The value of x was 2, 3, 1, right? So those values I am going to substitute by 4, 0 and 7. This is right hand side. So this determinant will become 4, 0, 7, 3, 1, 2 and 4, 5 minus 2. I am going to calculate this determinant with respect to first column. Just check because there is one element as 0. So it is error calculation. So it will be 4 into minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 minus 10, which is minus 12. This will become 0. Then plus 7 into it will be 15 minus 4, so 11. So it will be minus 48 plus 77. If you calculate, it will become 29. So now next one will be your dy. The column of y I am going to substitute by this value. So dy will be 2, 3, 1. Then column of y I am going to write 4, 0, 7. And this will be 4, 5 minus 2 as usual. So if I need to find out the value of this, just check. So if I am going to take the first row, any column you can take. So if I take the first row, it will be 2 into 0 minus 35. Minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5, which is minus 11, and another 4 into, just check, it will be 21 into 0, so only 21. So it will be minus 70, this is plus 44, this is plus 84. So it will be 128 minus 70, so answer is 58. The last one, I hope by that time all of you understood. But last one will be dz, where I am going to substitute the column of z. So it was 2, 3, 1, then 3, 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, and the last column I am going to write 4, 0, 7. So if I will just find the value with respect to the first row only, so 2 into 1 into 7, which is 7, minus 0 it will be. Minus 3 into this 21 only, plus 4 into 6 minus 1, that is 5. So it will be 14 minus 63 plus 20. So it will be 34 minus 63, which is equals to minus 29. This method is also known as determinant method. So now the value of x will be dx divided by d. The value of dx was 29, just check, and d is 29, so it is 1. Value of y will be dy divided by d. which is 58 divided by 29, answer is 2, and value of z will be dz divided by d, which is minus 29 divided by 29, which is equals to minus 1. So I got the value of x, y, z, which is 1, 2 and minus 1. Now be very careful in exam. If it is mentioned you have to use Martin's method or matrix method or Martin's rule, you have to use that. This method is known as Cramer's rule or determinant method. Couple of things, just check. First case, that if your d equals to 0, if is your d equals to 0 and dx and dy and dz all are equals to 0, so that time that equation will be consistent, the equation will be consistent, and we will have infinitely many solution, because we will have only one line of equation. Second case, if it is d is your 0 but dx, dy, dz any one is not equals to 0, so that time we are going to, the equation will be inconsistent, that time the equation will be inconsistent and we will not get any solution. So answer will be no solution. The equations will be the equation of a parallel line. So now third point, if it is d not equals to 0, so that time we are only going to get the consistent and independent value, and we will get unique values of the variable. So that's the condition for unique solution, which you have already learned in simultaneous linear equations. So if you need, you can further proceed there. So that's all in this video. If you need any more help, please write in the comment box. I will do that. Thank you.